Human fascination with gold is as old as recorded history. 1792, the United States Congress passed the Mint and Coinage Act that established a fixed price of gold in terms of US dollars. 15 August 1971, a number of attempts were made to salvage the gold standard. 2011, the foundation of the Gold Standard Banking AG, one of the most successful companies which specializes in the trade of minerals and precious metals worldwide. There's a global distribution network for industrial minerals and metals in more than 120 countries. 2020, GSB presents new cutting-edge products and services. Blockchain gold asset LBMA price connected, ready to be traded on a stable rate directly on our exchange. It is using the most advanced decentralized blockchain protocol, safe, cost-efficient, and fast. Digital G999 card, the safest way to secure your digital blockchain assets. Use our new digital card at the size of a credit card to pay the merchants. Gold point of sale. If you are a gold bullion dealer, this is the best way to increase your sales. Our community will trade digital gold to pick up it physically. You can directly exchange the tokens and transfer fiat into your bank account. GSB consists of GSB Gold, International Business Blockchain Platform, Universal Gold Merchant, and Gold Standard Digital Bank. We invite you to discover our products and services. You can pay using our decentralized blockchain solution, everything and everywhere. Register now. Find out more about GSB on our website, g999main.net.
Greetings, family. How's everyone doing on this beautiful Saturday night? This is your brother Supreme Max, Fire Money Network family. This is our Future Money Show. Y'all know what we always take a look at, what's going on in the marketplace, what's going on with your money. We always take a look at where the future of money is going. So we've been running this show, man, for almost, it's over a year now. And shout out to my little brother, man, Fabian X, who did a marvelous job last week of holding it down for me. But family, we're going to get into this today. Man, we got an amazing broadcast, show for you today. But before we do it, we like to always take a look at the gold spot price, and we go and look at the top two cryptocurrencies in the world, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we also look at the coin that we're bringing you with the GSB ecosystem, right? So let's take a look at physical gold, our gold on the market. So gold, you can say it's down $1,744.99 per ounce. Now, when I started getting gold in 2017, an ounce of gold was at $1,240 an ounce. So the gold that I started acquiring back then is still up. It's still up, right? Over half of what it was when I first started getting it. So family, this is just all we have to understand about gold. Gold really doesn't fluctuate. Gold is money. This is just what we have to understand, right? Gold, an ounce of gold in 1913 used to be like $28, $25 an ounce. Then it went to $35, right? So it's not really fluctuating. Why? Because it's only going up. However, they manipulate the price. It is definitely manipulated, right? So just get that understanding and understand what we have at our hands. So that's gold, the spot price of gold, right? You can't even really go and get gold at that price, but nobody would really tell you that. But that's the secret signs of it, right? However, if you want to attract wealth, then get you some gold, right? Get you some gold. But gold is meant to be held. It's meant to be stored, meant to be saved, not spending, not thinking about liquidating gold. I hear people all the time asking, where can I liquidate the gold? Well, why would you want to go into real money just to go back into fake money? All right. So that's the gold spot price. So let's go to coin Geico, which is a cryptocurrency outlet before we get into our major topic, right? Let's go and take a look at that. So what's going on with Bitcoin and Ethereum? For those that don't know or those that, want to know. Now, we're advising everybody to please get your hand on some Ethereum or any type of cryptocurrency. You should get in it. Why? Because the future is heading that way. The future is in the blockchain technology, and we can actually help put you at the front. We can actually help put you in front of the mass adoption that's going on right now. Because the topic that we have for you tonight is dealing with Deutsche Bank. Now, Deutsche Bank, if you didn't know, is the biggest bank in Europe. It's the biggest bank in Europe if you did not know that. So they're talking about adopting cryptocurrency. They're talking about adopting Bitcoin. Now, when you hear just Bitcoin, remember all the other cryptocurrencies got the potential to come with it, right? So let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is trading for $58,347.71 per coin. In the last hour, it's down 0.2%. The last 24 hours is down 1.4%. And the last 7 days is down almost 5%. That's Bitcoin. So it's the coin is traded for over 58,000, but it's still down. So this is what you have to understand. And Bitcoin has reached a market cap of over $1 trillion. The total market cap of cryptocurrency is almost $2 trillion. So ask yourself, if cryptocurrency is going to be here in the future, the blockchain technology is going to be here, are you in front of it to receive some of the trillions that's coming through it? Ethereum is trading for $1,801.78 per coin. It's down 0.2% in the last hour. It's down 2% in the last 24 hours. And it's down 6.3% in the last 7 days. So if you can't stand to see your money going up and down, don't even bother with cryptocurrency, because that's what it do. That's what it do. And then we're going to show you the newest, hottest coin that is on the rise, the G999, which you can get right now literally for penny. Because if you trying to get rich, don't even worry about Bitcoin. Don't even take a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum. So, okay, our coin is trading for under a penny, but it's up 1.3%. It's up 2.3% in Bitcoin when it's compared to Bitcoin. So, well, it's a baby coin. It's only been out here for 90 days. However, I just took $100 and just got a whole bunch of them. I just got almost 10,000 of these coins for $100. What does that do? If the coin ever go to 50 cents, or when it go to 50 cents a dollar, I took $100 and jumped that and launched past that to 10,000. So let's get into our article, man, because I am experiencing some technical difficulties. So before we go any further that, let's get into our article tonight. So we're not going to let this be too long of a show, right? But we did want to get on here, and we wanted to give you what's going on in the banking system. Remember, Future Money, we're dealing with the science of banking. Banking, this is when we give you the science of banking in the Future Money, at the Future Money Show, right? So let's take a look at it. This is on Yahoo Finance. This is on Yahoo Finance, right? So this article just came out 2 days ago, Thursday, March 18th. March 18th came out at Thursday, right? So what is it talking about? What's going on? This is what it say. Bitcoin is now too important to ignore, given its $1 trillion market capitalization, according to a new report by Deutsche Bank. Now, like I said at the beginning, Deutsche Bank is the biggest bank in Europe. You know how JP Morgan is the biggest bank in America? Deutsche Bank is the JP Morgan of Europe, and it is one of the major central banks. It is one of those banks, right? Now, they are saying Bitcoin is too important to ignore right now. Why? Because Bitcoin alone has reached $1 trillion in the market cap. That's very significant now, and we've been telling you, and we're going to tell you again, they are predicting cryptocurrency market cap to go to 10 to 20 trillion by 2030. So we got to find projects, and we got to find a way. How can we get our hands on some Bitcoin? See, I got Bitcoin in Ethereum, but I don't buy it. I don't buy it. That's a whole nother sign. You do what you want to do. If you can show me how I can get paid in an asset like Bitcoin, Ethereum, without the, see, that kills the risk. That kills the risk to me. But if I go and bet on it, if I go and throw some cash in and invest in it, I'll trade on it. Then the risk, there's no risk in me with Bitcoin. I can hold it for whatever. Why? I get it every day, all day, paid in it through a network. But I don't think some of y'all believe that we get paid in it. That's what I don't think. Because there ain't no way I can be hearing somebody saying they getting paid. We getting paid in the best performing asset in the last 10 years, and you just let that go on deaf ears. You act like you ain't even heard that. You must don't know what assets are, right? But let's get back to the report. The report published Wednesday states that the price of Bitcoin could continue to rise as long as it continues to attract interest from asset managers and companies. However, the cryptocurrency is expected to remain volatile due to limited tradability. Don't know what that means. They're trading pretty good. Related, Canadian firms to develop Bitcoin mining facilities partly powered by wind solar. Oh, whoa, that's deep. Deutsche Bank estimates that less than 30% of transactional activity in Bitcoin is related to payments. In 2020, for example, 28 million BTC changed hands, equivalent to 150% of the total Bitcoin in circulation. Meanwhile, 40 billion Apple shares were exchanged, equating to 270% of the total. Furthermore, the average number of Bitcoin exchanged daily in the United States is equivalent to only 0.05 of a yen and 0.0506 of GBP, which is the Great Britain pound. That's what that is. That do so. Therefore, Bitcoin must transform potential into results in the same way Tesla has done, according to Deutsche Bank. Tesla, like Bitcoin, has sparked numerous debates about whether it is the future of the car or a soon-to-die fad. Sentiment has shifted dramatically in the last 18 months as Tesla has proved itself able to deliver cars such as the Model 3 at scale. Now, we're going to come back to that. So let's just deal with some of that stuff that they're talking about right there, right? So, and you can go to Yahoo Finance and you can type this title in and you can pull up this whole article. I'm not going to read the whole article, but I just wanted to just go into it. So it's saying that Bitcoin could not be the coin of the future. It's saying it could just be hype now. It just could be a fad. Just could be a lot of excitement around it. Just could be a major trend right now. But it don't mean it is here to stay. So this is the Future Money Show. So I'm just going to give you my aspect, and my aspect of this is my aspect, my views, my humble opinion on the study of this, right? All right. I can't really say after studying Bitcoin, I can't really say that Bitcoin will be here from the future, and I can't say that it won't. Remember, this is the Future Money Show, right? I can't say that. Now, what I do know is gold is going to play a significant part to all of this. So don't overlook that. So just keep that in your mind. And that's not hypothetical. That's an actual fact. Gold is going to play a very significant part into the new currency and into the new monetary system. Just understand that, right? Now, I feel like blockchain technology is going to play a very vital part into the banking system and how we bank and how we do transactions. Because cryptocurrency transactions are lightning fast compared to bank wires, credit card processors. See, there ain't none of that like that when you're dealing with crypto. However, Bitcoin blockchain is about the slowest of them all because it's the first one. So when we understand this factor right here, when we understand that, we have to look at everything in its totality. And it's not really, to me, if you ask me, it's not enough Bitcoins to go around. There's only 18 million Bitcoins in circulation right now. So I would have to say that's not enough to supply the whole planet as the reserve currency. Now, why are we talking about this? Remember, this is the future of money. In the future, that's coming soon, you will not be spending any paper money. That's for sure going away. Now, that banking system, the way you bank with Wells Fargo's, Bank in America, Regions, these online banks, black bank, it don't matter, white bank, it don't, none of that matter. If they only are holding cash and depending on cash, then when the cash falls, if they don't have an alternate, these banks will fall too. So you can look at, you can get ready to experience a lot of banks falling. Matter of fact, in the last 10 years, a lot of banks in America have been collapsing. A lot of them. They don't stay afloat. Why? Because the government is killing the banks because they are printing more and more cash, and the currency has no interest rates. So the bank can only get cash and loan it out as quick as they can get it. They do not want to hold it in their bank. Oh, it's all a scam. You want to go know more about that? Go to Mike Maloney's YouTube channel, The Hidden Secrets of Money, and he's going to teach all about that, right? So look, now Tesla is a stock, but they compare Bitcoin to the Tesla car because Tesla runs off of what? Energy, electricity. It doesn't have gas. So they're trying to say that Bitcoin can be like Tesla, and Tesla can just be a fab now. However, we see Tesla doing major things. Okay, related. Robinhood growing his crypto team hugely this year, said CEO. All right. Also, over half of investors think Bitcoin and Tesla stock are biggest bubbles, Deutsche Bank survey. So you saying that half of investors think Bitcoin and Tesla are biggest stock. Now, when they talking about Bitcoin, they just talking about Bitcoin. They're not talking about cryptocurrency. Because you have some cryptocurrencies that have real substantial backing, whether they got a big name company behind it, or they might even have some assets. But I don't know any cryptocurrency for the moment, at the moment, that has any physical mineral behind it. I know a lot of people work on it and they talking about it, but I don't think no coin like that has been produced where you can actually have the coin on the blockchain and then turn that coin, that crypto coin, into physical gold, right? That would be a significant coin if that was to ever come out. And what else would make another coin be significant to the marketplace and to the crypto space is when you have a coin that has a lot of utility. See, this will make Bitcoin and Ethereum so valuable. Why? Because you can make payments with Bitcoin. Ethereum, you can create other coins on the Ethereum blockchain. So this causes Ethereum coin to move. So when you look for a crypto coin that's going to have a lot of functionality, a lot of utility, then that might be a coin that could have a lot of value in the future. But it can't be based on the price of the coin. So you can't really look at price when you're thinking about this. Yes, we would want to get a lot of coins and get rich overnight. Everybody would want that, right? But that might don't be the case when you're talking about this. What needs to be the case and what you're thinking about is, what am I going to do when the dollar falls? What am I going to do when all these banks fall? What am I going to do then? That's what you need to be talking about. So when you look in cryptocurrency and look at the technology, do just that. Look at the technology and see what use and how significant this can be 5, 10 years from now. Just look at it like that. And always look at how you can get in some in its early stage. Why? Because you get more. That's reward versus risk. If something costs a penny, I would rather throw pennies into that than to throw $1,000, $10,000 into a coin that already costs almost $60,000. It's just math. It really ain't emotion, it's just math. And you have a system like what we're involved in, what we telling you about, that actually pays us in Bitcoin, in Ethereum. So let's finish this last part right here. Bitcoin's current valuation has the broader shift toward cross-border digital currencies priced in. Therefore, it must it must demonstrate its value as a means of payment to live up to its reputation. Deutsche Bank paper concludes. Deutsche Bank's plans to develop a fully integrated custody platform for institutional clients in their digital assets were unveiled in December 2020 in a World Economic Forum report. Now, these are major banks. These major banks are trying their best to get in the way of this adoption. So they just throw little language out there that the average person don't understand. And they know you don't understand it. And some of us don't even try to, not some of y'all, some of us, we don't even try to understand certain things. We will hear it, we will see it, and it really means nothing to us. It really means nothing to us. So if Bitcoin is too important to ignore coming from the biggest bank in Europe, then it's too important for you to ignore it. And it's definitely too important for you to ignore how to get paid in it. Now, to close us out, family, one of the things, let me talk about this for a couple minutes. One of the things that make cryptocurrency not acceptable everywhere, why you just ain't seeing mass adoption of crypto right now, why you don't really see that, is because people don't know how to spend it. Ain't too many places that accept cryptocurrencies, and turning cryptocurrencies back into cash is not really that easy if you don't know how to set up crypto wallets and exchanges and all of that. It ain't really that simple. And when you deal on Coinbase, Coinbase, Cash App, those platforms like that, crypto.com, they are centralized. They are tied to the central bank. So everything you do with it is notified to the IRS. I'm just telling you, you gotta believe me. You don't want to. I'm just telling you now. However, we have a card that makes all of this really simple, where you can buy, trade, sell, and even spend cryptocurrency. And you can put cash on it. See, there ain't no card out there like this where you can put cash on the card and it turn to crypto. It's really nowhere like that. You have to put crypto on some of these cards, and then you might have to sell it. Hold on, a block card might work, something like that, but it don't got but two wallets on it. Bitcoin wallet, then the other coin that's tied to that blockchain, whichever the name. I forgot the name of that coin. Right, that's it. Crypto.com, they card, you can't even get their card unless you got so many, unless you do a certain amount of staking. And it's limited to a lot of major cities in the United States, right? Now, our GS Lifestyle card, you can't get it in all 50 states just yet. It's about 8 still on the list. So we way more than halfway there, right? But our GS Lifestyle card is so significant, right? And I got mine the other day, and I just put some cash on there. I don't even have crypto on it, but it's a crypto card. But my earnings go to this. I can turn it into this. I got cash on it. I can turn the cash into Bitcoin if I want to, or crypto if I want to. Got about 9 wallets on there, crypto wallets on there. And you can trade these currencies that's in these wallets against each other. Oh, man, this thing is amazing, right? It also has fiat currency wallets in it, too. It also has, for the travelers, for the ballers, a concierge service, rewards plan. But that's not the most significant thing about this card. The most significant thing about this card here is it makes cryptocurrency convenient. This is a card of convenience, right? But that still ain't the most significant thing about it. The most significant thing about this card is every time I use this card, my brother in DC, my brother and my mentor in Georgia, my other mentor, Ty Bess in Virginia, every time I use my card, they will get paid. See, I put it to you like that. Why? Because I don't care that they get paid. I just want the card, right? So I don't care. So we can't look at, well, I don't want nobody getting, yeah, you using a bank card right now. Somebody getting paid off of it. Cut your water on, gas on, lights on, pay your rent, pay your more. Somebody getting paid. Somebody getting paid, right? So it don't matter. We don't really care about somebody getting paid off us. We just don't want somebody that look like us or somebody we know getting paid off us. Because everything you do in America, somebody getting paid. You just don't know. I don't care. You can be trading on the exchanges for it. Somebody getting paid. You don't know who these people is. You trading these currencies and trading these stock options and all that. You don't know who these people is. And you're trading these big corporation stocks. You trading all this. You don't care. You just want the profit. So you don't really care about that. Right? But every time I use the card, they get paid. What a blessing. What a blessing. What a blessing. Right? That every time I use the card, somebody I know is going to get paid. Wow. That's amazing. That's excitement. It makes me want to use it just once a day, at least, just to make sure that they get paid every day. Why? Because what I'm holding in my hand right now is the highest form of group economics on the market right now. Nothing beats this product when it comes to group economics. Nothing. So with that being said, family, let's watch this quick commercial about this card, and then we will be right back with more of the Future Money Show. But we're about to close out. But let's watch this quick video, a commercial, so y'all can see and hear more about it. So with that being said, family, here you go.
Introducing the most flexible crypto card in the world. 5 traditional currency accounts, including USD, GPB, EUR, CNY, and JPY. Currency exchange rates better than high street banks. Manage all your crypto and traditional currencies with one simple platform. Add funds to your account via bank transfer, credit and debit card, or crypto proceeds. Spend or withdraw your funds anywhere credit and debit cards are accepted. Exclusive plastic, aluminum, stainless steel, gold-plated, and solid gold cards available. 24/7 global support in multi-languages. 24/7 professional concierge services. Up to 40% discounts on hotel and travel. Instant rewards from high street retailers. Fast delivery to over 100 countries. Order your GS Lifestyle card today.
Family, if you want more information about the world's first blockchain network marketing company, Gold Standard Partners, then text us GSB. Text GSB to that number at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to get this card, tonight, then also text GSB to that number running below. Comment more info on our YouTube channel, our Facebook channel, and we will make sure you get the information, and we will walk you through and assist you through getting this card. Hey, the world going crypto. You might as well get the best crypto card in the world. You might as well go ahead and get in front of it, right? So, family, if you want to know more about that, then text GSB to that number running at the bottom of the screen. And don't forget, please go subscribe to our YouTube channel, Forward Money. You can also follow us on Facebook, Forward Money. With that being said, family, we'll see y'all next Saturday with another episode of the Future Money. We out.